All right, I just got this old Frigidaire. Yeah, just plugged it in. I got it for the free. So the fan's working, right? So we got power, fans working. That's cool. We got back here. Yeah, you can tell it's old because these, they don't build them like this anymore. But got some compressor action. You can hear the compressor going. It's humming real nice. It doesn't look like it got a bunch of bugs in it. That's sweet. But the customer says it gets down to 30 degrees and that's it. So he thinks it's a thermostat. So what do? Where